Well, class, we've reached that point in our lesson when we need to write our paragraph. As long as you are following along and helping out, you don't need to copy this paragraph down anywhere. And since it's just me, pretend you're helping out as I talk. I'll give you some choices, you gotta pick the right one, and then we will discuss about it. So, on va commencer avec le paragraphe. So, aujourd'hui, nous avons écrit ou lu. Oui, très bien, classe. Nous avons lu une histoire de la vie de Monsieur Ollinger. Okay? We're going to use the formula we have at the top right here. So we're going to say, first we're going to say d'abord, then we're going to use ensuite, and then enfin. Just so you know, d'abord means first, ensuite means then, and then enfin is finally. Okay. So, d'abord, Monsieur Ollinger a quitté le centre commercial. Un ami voulait traverser l'autoroute mais Monsieur Ollinger n'acceptait pas. Ok. Ensuite, l'ami est devenu fâché et il a quitté Monsieur Ollinger. Enfin, Monsieur Ollinger était presque kidnappé, mais quelqu'un l'a sauvé. Et ça, c'est l'histoire de Monsieur Ollinger. Ok, maintenant on va lire ensemble le paragraphe. Ok, lisez avec moi. Aujourd'hui, nous avons lu une histoire de la vie de Monsieur Ollinger. D'abord, Monsieur Ollinger a quitté le centre commercial. Un ami voulait traverser l'autoroute, mais Monsieur Ollinger n'acceptait pas. Ensuite, l'ami est devenu fâché et il a quitté Monsieur Ollinger. Enfin, Monsieur Ollinger était presque kidnappé, mais quelqu'un l'a sauvé. Ça, c'est l'histoire de Monsieur Ollinger. Okay, let's go through this and translate it together. Today, we have read a story from the life of Mr. Ollinger. First, Mr. Ollinger left the mall. The Centre Commercial means mall. A friend wanted to walk across the freeway, but Mr. Ollinger wouldn't accept. Then the friend became angry and he left Mr. Ollinger. Finally, Mr. Ollinger was almost kidnapped, but someone him saved. This, it is the story of Mr. Ollinger.